still crying now? Look at me. I'm dirty. I'm weak.
Why are you sitting on the floor now? Why are you still doing here? You're just disturbing yourself.
What happened?
Stand up now, eh? What are you thinking?
No, I think I'm pregnant. God, why? Another pain. Not again.
Another problem again? You're pregnant?
Yes, I'm vomited now.
I'll protect this child no matter what. Stop thinking. I don't want you to stress yourself, eh? Just stand up. Oya. Steady yourself. Stand up. Yeah. Anyway, I don't want you to be worried.
Sorry, everything is sorry.
That's why you are now crying. Eh? I don't want you to just leave that place and come and be sitting up and down. I don't want you to be thinking, yeah? Don't try it again. Yeah. Just be stressing yourself, you will be crying. I don't like it. I don't like it. Just do that.
How much is this place?
15 million.
Ha. I'll pay 20.
No, 20. No go, 20 no go. No go. This is a big property. Just you went around and you saw it.
I saw it now. This is I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, let me just take it like this. Last. Let me pay 25.
This is not a fish market. This we're talking about the landed property here. This is on the housing building.
I've been buying houses now. I know what properties are. So I know where I'm.
This is a mansion.
No, you will not say that.
This is a mansion.
You know how your house is.
Yes, I know.
I've just told you. Don't know 24 that I'm lost.
Okay, I will think about it and maybe I will get back to you. Okay? Alright, so while I walk you out to the gates, when you show the road, you see the way.
It's coming. We sort it out. Like, very hungry. I'm not hungry. Since 3 days, we haven't eaten anything.
How are you?
I'm fine, Jerry.
What is it again?
I'm hungry. Since 3 days now, I haven't eaten anything. Just only water. Even the water is not even enough. I'm hungry. Ah, God. I'm very, very hungry.
Okay, it's fine. Let's go outside. You can see someone that will just give us something. Okay?
I don't have that strength.
Don't say someone. You will not even stress yourself, okay? Let's just go and find someone. Definitely someone will help us. Okay? I don't want to leave you to breathe. I understand. That's all. Just yeah. Just see this people. Who I want to give again? I won't go now. Good afternoon, man.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want?
Ma'am, please can you find something for us to eat? We are
Is it? So why? You don't let me let you guess so.
Yes.
So you never eat
You have not eaten, so
and you get strength to open leg.
man, it's a long story.
Now so the story go a long day go. You know get food to eat, but you get power to open leg. Not the human being give you belly.
Maybe
it is only bread. They wine. As somebody like when they spoil this country. You never chop, but you get mind to open leg. They swear for us. Come on here. You're hungry. See me well now. You never chop, but you open leg. They're hungry. That's them be. Your mates in the street, oh, they hustle. You fight for nothing.
One day they will know our pains. They will surely know our pains one day. It's okay. It's okay. My dad are watching us. What happened with you? For what? Why now?
Can't you see we're already dead?
I don't like this now. Dead for what? How? Stop saying like this now. You're already dead. How? You still have hope.
Eat now. You simply say you're hungry.
Don't let what people say just discourage you. We still have hope. Okay? Don't you have faith again? I forgot what Mama told us that we should see. I will never give up. Okay? Yeah.
I know small appetite. I know small appetite.
I don't like it.
Eat now. You can eat.
I don't like it. Okay? You eat. Yeah? Before, just let's eat and let us start going. Okay? Eat. Eat it. When you are going, I'll find water and give you. Okay?
What about your room?
Eat. The bread is not enough.
Manage now.
Have it. Are you okay? Eat. Let's go. Eat. Let's go.
Because you need to buy water.
We'll see water. Eat here. I don't know what people say is discouraging. Yeah? Yeah, very very well. This to bend down. Yeah, like this now.
You come and get, you come and get.
I should know what I'll do more than.
Hey, why the excitement?
Good evening.
Good evening. And why you not dancing?
I'm entertaining now. She's not gonna dance. I'm too fast. Can you imagine?
I thought you took money on the floor.
She said you went to firework.
Yes, now I should do them now.
So how was it?
Yes, I'm still searching, sir, but I've not seen.
Ed, come aside.
Yes.
Hey,
Very
so
soon
where?
start bringing. It's along those I am last bus stop side, but I'm still looking for job. Sorry, God is going to do it. When I just see job like this, I will just carry you and go to outside country. As in, now go and give birth in outside country. You will not go to America. And you too now. I will not start school back now. Yes. By the time I want to carry you to outside country, this I will now walk like this. Walk like this. Walk.
So I was telling her to dance for me. Dance for me now.
I should dance. When I see, let me first dance. So that tomorrow when I go outside to look for job, I'm going to see job. I'm going to
you cannot say.
You cannot. What is it not supposed to don't bend? You know, baby. Sing for me. Amara. Don't worry, we're going to go to outside country. Can you say outside country? I
can't wait to leave this place. Like,
I just want you guys to be strong. She said mosquito. Don't worry, guys. I just want you guys to be strong for me, okay? I'm going to make you never give up, okay?
Atamara International.
What are you saying? Let's go inside now. Come and rest with you.
Listen, I feel like taking
fresh air.
Yes.
You feel like taking?
Shall we sit down?
That's why she say she's hungry.
She's feeling cold. Don't worry. Let's go inside, Joe.
Leave her. Let her stand by herself. You know all those winch will just come and chop.
Bye.
Please push. Oh yeah, please wait. Please, I want you to be strong for me, okay? Oh yeah, please. I don't even know where to start from. I don't even know.